Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a delicious sausage and potato bake, and you guys, it is so delicious. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys are also ready, let's get baking.
And here I have 2 green onions, and I'm just going to chop them up. And if you like, you can go ahead and use cilantro instead. And here I have 2 blocks of cheese, and I'm just shredding it. And you can go ahead and use, whichever, cheese that you prefer. These are just the 2 kinds that I love to use. But you go ahead and use your favorite one. And you don't have to use 2 of them. You could just go for just, one kind. Over medium-high heat, I'm going to add in the ground sausage. And then I'm just going to break it up and cook it for about 8 minutes or until it's nice and browned. And you can also use ground beef or your favorite proteins instead. Whichever way you choose is still going to be delicious. And then when the meat is cooked, I'm going to add in the cream of jalapeno soup, the cheddar cheese soup, and then along with half of the chopped green onions, and also the diced potatoes. And then I'm just going to give it a stir to combine everything well. And then I'm also going to sprinkle on a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. And then give it another stir to combine everything well and cook for about 30 seconds. Make sure to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And then here in my casserole dish, I already greased the side and the bottom. And then I'm going to dump in half of the mixture. And then I'm just going to spread them out a little bit. And then I'm going to add half of the shredded cheese. Just going to spread out a little bit with my hands. And then I'm going to dump in the rest of my mixture. And then I'm just going to spread them out just a tad bit. And then I'm going to sprinkle on the remaining of the cheese. Just going to spread them out evenly. Okay, this is ready to go into the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly and it's nice and cooked through.
Here is the end results and the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Okay, it is like really hot. It literally just came out of the oven. Alright, let's go for that piece. Ooh, look at that, so cheesy. Okay, cheers. You guys. You guys, OMG, that is so delicious. It's like the perfect cheesiness, perfect flavor. Everything was perfect. So if you guys like to give this recipe a try, I will have the measurements in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.